Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Goodwill furniture makeover of a jewelry armoire. For this project, I used the PL 530 glue, the gold metallic spray paint, some mirrors, some clamps, a red insect spray, some tapes, E6000 nail polish remover, MODPODGE tacky glue, some glitter, champagne crushed glass, and a spatula. I sprayed the armoire with the insect spray and left it outside in the cold for 2 days before I started to do anything with it. I then sprayed the entire armoire with the gold metallic spray, giving it 2 coats 24 hours apart. I used the glue to adhere the mirrors to the top, the sides, and the drawers. I used the spatula to spread the glue. I used the clamps to hold the mirrors into place, and I let them sit for about 24 hours. The drawers could not be detached completely from the armoire, so I had to pull them as far out as they could come. Since I couldn't use the clamps for the sides, I put something heavy on the mirrors to push them firmly down on the glue. I use a measuring tape to make sure my knobs are going to be exactly at the center of the drawer. At first I used the Gorilla Glue for the knobs, but they all fell off. I had to go back and use the E6000 glue. So now I know. And I taped them and left them overnight. And I added some bling. I mixed some glitter, champagne crushed glass, and some Mod Podge and applied on the sides and legs. And this is the finished product. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and if you are a new subscriber, please hit the notification bell so you can receive notice of future videos. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.